Is your Samsung 32-inch TV displaying a completely black screen, making you think the backlight has died? Don't worry, we can troubleshoot this common issue together. First, let's tackle the simplest solution. Check your brightness settings. Sometimes, the setting can accidentally get turned down to 0, making the screen appear black. Grab your Samsung TV remote, press the menu or settings button, and navigate to picture or display settings. Look for the brightness option. Use your remote's arrow keys to increase the brightness level. You might need to cycle through a few levels to see if any changes occur. It's surprising how often this simple adjustment can bring your picture back to life. If brightness isn't the culprit, let's investigate the connections, especially the power. Ensure the TV securely plugged into a working power outlet. Try unplugging the power cord from both the TV and the wall for a full minute before plugging it back in. This power cycle can reset the TV's internal components and resolve minor glitches causing a black screen while you're there. Also check your HDMI cables. If you're using external devices, a loose or faulty HDMI cable can sometimes result in a blank screen, even if the TV itself is on. Reseat the HDMI cable at both the TV and your connected device. If you have a spare HDMI cable, try swapping it out to rule out a cable defect. If after checking brightness and connections, the screen remains black, it may indicate a more serious internal hardware issue, such as a failed backlight panel or power supply. In such cases, seeking professional repair services might be the next step to restore your Samsung 32-inch TV's display.